so fine, so fine, so fine, yeah. My baby's so doggone fine. She loves me, come rain, come shine. Oh, yeah, so fine.
The Thunderbird was a car manufactured by Ford in the 1955 model year as a sporty two-seat convertible. It was an attempt to break into the sports car market that the European sports car imports had created, and also compete with the sporty Chevy Corvette that was introduced in 1953.
The men who designed this had fun, and the builders and the testers had fun. And while it's never going to take the place of the family car, I, for one, am going to have a lot of fun owning it.
The Thunderbird, however, was built as a personal car, putting a greater emphasis on the car's comfort and convenient features rather than its inherent sportiness. The Thunderbird sold exceptionally well in its first year, outselling the Corvette by more than 23 to 1. And I think it's safe to say that this car has left its mark on American culture.
What did you say?
A car with such a rich history and great style deserves a ground-up restoration that will bring it back to its 1955 condition, in which is what we'll set out to do in these next 3 videos. On our Thunderbird, there had been a previous restoration performed some time ago, but it appeared to have never been finished. Many of the car parts were in the trunk, along with boxes of others that came with it, leaving the car a bit of a mystery as to what really was all there. After clearing all the parts out, the entire body was sandblasted inside and out.
Let me tell you about a girl who knows.
This revealed much rust, in which was cleverly hidden during a restoration done some time ago. This resulted in digging, and cutting, and grinding until it was all gone.
Hallelujah, I just love so. When I'm in trouble and I have no friend, I know she'll go with me until
At this
the
point,
end.
the car was cut into 4 different pieces, and it seemed like finding solid metal was hopeless, which led to the thought of just parting out the car and moving on. But I came to the conclusion that I should continue on and finish the project. After deciding to go forward, the sheet metal work was the next step. Just about all the panels you could find in the parts catalog were ordered, along with many others having to be made.
I hear her on my door in the evening when the sun goes down, when there is nobody else around. She kisses me and she holds me tight and tells me, Daddy, everything's alright. I know, yes I know, hallelujah, I just love her so. If I call her on the telephone and tell her that I'm all alone, by the time I come from 1 to 4, I hear her on my door in the evening when the sun goes down, when there is nobody else around. She kisses me and she holds me tight and tells me that everything's alright. That's why I know.
After the top of the floor was welded, the bottom needed to be stitched together as well. So off the frame it went and onto a rotisserie. It was a lot of welding, 16 hours worth to be exact, but the finished product was well worth it. Somewhere around 32 panels were replaced during this part of the restoration, and after it's all said and done, the body on this Ford is solid and ready for the next phase, which is bodywork.
Your every wish is my command. All you gotta do is wiggle your little hand. 'Cause I'm your puppet. I'm your puppet. I'm just a toy.